boys and girls, are you ready for the letter of the day? Let's write our letter of the day. Now, remember, ask someone older than you for a sheet of paper. And you also need a crayon, a marker, or pen, whatever you may have, so that we can write our letters together. And do not write on the, what, Pete and friends? The wall, right? Okay, today's letter of the day, as a matter of fact, I ate some of these last night. It's a tomato. And the word tomato starts with the letter T. So let's make a T. A line across, and then come under in another line. And this is a capital T. We call this the mama T. The letter T. Let's do it again. A line across, and then we're going to bring one down just like that. Let's do it again. A line across, and then come under and stop. T. Okay, now boys and girls, let's make a lowercase t. Okay, so I'm going to leave the capital T and we're going to make a lowercase t, which is a baby T. So we're going to make one line like this, and then we're going to go above and make another line like that. And that is a lowercase t. Let's make some more. One line like this, and then another line like that. That's a lowercase t. Very good. Let's do it again. A line like this going across, and then one line just like that coming down. Good job. And remember, the more you practice, the better it will look. And it looks fine now because you're trying. And we are so proud of you for trying. That's all we ask for, is that you try. Okay, now let's go over some sight words. Are you ready to say some sight words? Or should I say spell some sight words? Okay, Pete and friends, are you ready? Are you behaving? All right, what is this a picture of? It goes meow, it has 4 legs. This is a cat, and it starts with the letter C. Okay, let's spell it. C A T. Cat. Very good. All right, we're going to turn it over. This is a house for little birds that go tweet, 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 tweet. Little baby birdies. And the mommy makes them a nest. This is called a nest. Okay, let's spell the word nest. N E S T. Nest. Okay, very good. Nest. Okay, let's do another sight word. Now we spoke about the nest, but this is what lives in the nest. What is this? Okay, Pete, what is that? It's a bird. Bird. All right, it starts with the letter B. So let's spell it. Oops, that's the wrong alphabet. Okay, here we go. This is the correct one. B I R D. Bird. Very good. This is a bird. Good job. And you deserve a yum, yum, yummy to my tummy, tummy, tummy cupcake. Okay. Very good. You did such an excellent job listening today and learning. We're so proud of you. Now, boys and girls, are you ready to hear a story? Let's hear a story. Now, I want you to zip your lip, turn on your ears so you can listen to the story. And this story is called Fried Bread. Fried Bread, a Native American family story written by Kevin Noble Mallard. And I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right, but the illustration, which are the beautiful pictures, are by Juana Martinez Neal. And this is called Fried Bread. Ooh, you hear that train? That's the train. And my doggie is singing to the train in the morning. Okay. Fried bread is food. Flour, salt, water, cornmeal, baking powder, perhaps milk, maybe sugar. All mixed together in a big bowl. Fried bread is shaped. Hands mold the dough, flat like a pancake, round like a ball, or puffy like Nana's softest pillow. Oh, the pages do not want to act right. Okay, here we go. Fried bread is sound. The skillet clangs on the stove. The fire blazes from below. Drop the dough in the skillet. The bubbles sizzle and pop. Fried bread is color. Golden brown, tan or yellow, deep like coffee, sienna or earth, light like snow and cream, warm like rays of sun. Fried bread is flour. See beans or soup, smell tacos, cheese, and vegetables, delight in honey and jam, rise to discover what brings us together. Fried bread is time. On weekdays and holidays, supper or dinner, powwows and festivals, moments together with family and friends. Fried bread is art. Sculpture, landscape, portrait, our daily craft, shared from teacher to student, a cycle of heritage and fortune. Fried bread is history. The long walk, the stolen land, strangers in our own world. With unknown food, we made new recipes from what we had. Fried bread is place. Alaska, Kansas, all the way to Maine, down to Delaware, on to Georgia, over to Oklahoma, Colorado, and California, cities and lands we call home. Fried bread is nation. Abenaki, Apache, Arapaho. Miss Porter doesn't know if she's pronouncing these words right. Okay. Ojibwa, Onondaga, Oglala, Sioux, Narragansett, Navajo, Nipmuc, Seminole, Shuswap, Sac, and Fox, hundreds and hundreds of tribes. And please forgive Miss Porter if she's saying the names wrong. Fry bread is everything. Round, flat, large, small, north, south, east, west. Brown, yellow, black, white, familiar and foreign, old and new, we come together. Fry bread is us. We are still here, elder and young, friend and neighbor. We strengthen each other to learn, change, and survive. Fry bread is you. Oh, and then at the end, it gives a Kevin's fry bread recipe. And so it's 1 pint of boiling water, 1 cup of cornmeal, 1½ cups of cold water, a ½ ounce of dry or instant yeast, approximately 2 packages, 1 cup of raw sugar, 1 teaspoon of sea salt, 3½ cups of flour, 32-ounce unrefined coconut oil. And then it gives the steps on how to prepare it. So you bring 1 pint of water, and then in a large bowl, and once the dough has risen, let the dough fry. That sounds very, very yummy. So boys and girls, did you enjoy this story of fried bread? Makes you yummy, yummy, yummy to our tummy, tummy, tummy. So we enjoyed having you here today, and we're so glad you stopped by. Until next time, bye-bye.